Alright, y'all, what's up? This Lamel back over here on YouTube hitting y'all up, and I'm just gonna tell the truth on how everybody trying to become black nowadays. And it ain't gonna work, to tell you the truth. It really ain't. White people trying to become black people trying to become black when they know damn well they white. Asian people trying to become black. Even Russians, Jews, their art can't become black. Only white person that has the right to become black is Eminem. Really. That has no other excuse for y'all. But if you really want to become black, you have to take my test. Nobody else's test but mine. Okay? My test. What is your favorite 3-minute cooked meal in the microwave? If you say anything else besides noodles, that's a net because only black people eat noodles in the microwave. Put it in a bowl, put water in it, and put it on 3 to 4 minutes. No higher than 5. Okay? What's your favorite movie? Oh, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory? No, it needs to be some ghetto. Boys in the Hood. Friday. Next Friday. Friday after next. All About the Benjamins. Anything like that. If y'all pick anything besides anything ghetto, then you are a white motherfucker. Okay? Point blank. If your mama yell at you because you left one motherfucking dish in the sink, you are black. Point blank. But y'all niggas always complaining, man, my mama don't give me whoopings, I'm good. Bitch, you need a whooping the way you be cussing at your mama like that. Hell nah, that ain't how shit works. If I cuss at my mama, she's gonna slap the black off me. And see how dark I am? That's gonna be a whole lot of motherfucking slapping. Point blank, period. And you don't hear me say point blank, period a lot because I like saying that. Point blank, period. It gets to the point. Okay? I'm watching TV right now. Guess what channel I'm on? BET. No FX, no TBS. BET. Point blank. Black Entertainment. TV. Okay? Nothing else. If you don't watch that, then you're not black. If you don't drive a Cadillac with 24s or anything higher than 24, then you're not black. Point blank. If you drive in a car with your whole family, you're not black because you're really Mexican. You can't be black if you take all your family. Not the ones that live in your house. Your cousins, your nephew, your auntie, your uncle, your granny. Shit, just put your sister in the trunk and you black. If you got about 15 cup holders in your car, you black. If you roll weed up in anything because you ain't got no fucking guard, you're black. Point blank, period. Okay? Now I don't care what y'all say because there's reason why I think y'all black and stuff. Just because you sag don't mean you black. Just because you say there instead of there and her instead of here, you're not black. I mean, you're not black. Period. Point blank. Period. Okay? Thanks. Now I'm finna push this button.